this is what you're going to do. Just get hold of the very middle part of the inner center, right? Just grab that, and then it will all start to make sense. Hold on to that and put your corners together. Let me see if I can get this all on camera. Let me see. There are a pair of pants forming. So just get hold of this very middle crotch section and use that as your guide, and then just line up your corners as you would in a puzzle, except this time we don't start on the outside, we start on the inside. So because it is going to look a bit like, oh, what have I done? Is it front side to front side, back to back? Don't worry about it. So let's just recap. You're going to cut 2 panels. Actually, I'll stick a diagram up here for you guys, so you can screenshot it to refer back to later of exactly how to do it. But just to explain, along with this diagram, you're going to cut 2 panels for the front, 2 panels for the back, right? We know the method of cloning. It's turning it inside out and making it nice and flat on the material and cutting it out from there. So there's no pattern, there's no middle, there's no all that fuss, right? You don't even need to put little markers or notches or any of that. Then, so you've got 2 front, 2 back. Make them right sides together, and you're going to sew on the inner leg first. Once that's done, to both of them, you're going to lay them right sides together, and you're going to sew the U shape. Once that's done, you're going to be confused and think, what have I done? And this is where we are. You're going to grab the middle section, and then you will see the legs. Right. The next step is to sew the legs shut, and then we will do the top. Right, so let's get it ready for sewing. We put it together and we saw we didn't make a mistake, because that's what we were left with. So please don't go and sew here. Let's get that same pants shape back, but obviously the inside out version. So again, just grab there, and there we see the beautiful long legs all coming together. Okay, this is obviously a wide leg pants. The same as one as what I'm copying. So again, going to clip down there, stitch down there. Are you watching the racing?
Yes.
And who's in the lead?
It's Mommy. Makila is in the lead with the other ones. Okay? And Verstappen almost got the pretty green one. But that's okay.
Okay, and your pants are just about ready to be worn. So the last 2 steps we have is firstly attaching the elastic band and then just hemming the bottom of the pants. So here I found a beautiful gold elastic. What we're going to do is mark the 4 points so that we can distribute the stretch evenly across the width of the pants. So you will measure the elastic where you want it to sit, and then cut, sew that together, mark the point opposite to that, pull them together and mark the other 2 points that will go on your hip size. Again, this is explained in another tutorial where I made a pair of pants, so please do refer back to that if this one is not as clear. So we attach it. You can see we have attached it to all 4 points, and what you want to do is, as you're sewing, just gently pull and make sure that all the fabric is correctly in place as it reaches each target. And there we go, flip it over and it's done. Now it's just to hem the bottom and you have some pants to wear. Enjoy guys, and don't forget to subscribe.